Assalamualaikum, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to show you how you can create MySQL database from your cPanel. First of all, I am logging into my cPanel. This is my cPanel account. Now I am going to create new MySQL database in my cPanel. For that, you can search here database wizard. You can see it's showing here. I'm clicking here. After clicking, you will find this interface. Here you have to select a name. The first part is your cPanel's username. Then this will be your database name. I'm giving demo as name. Here you can see it's giving an alert that you have created a database named quickapp_demo. That means your database has been created. Now it's saying to create a new user for your database. For that I am giving a username and demo, and I am generating a new password. You can save it into your notepad. You can save in this way: database name, database username, and database password. Then you have to click on create user. I'm clicking here. You can see you have successfully created a database user named quickapp_demo. Now you have to select the user's privileges. Here you can select all privileges. Then you have to click on make changes. You can see user quickapp_demo was added to the database quickapp_demo. That means you have successfully created a database and its user, and you have successfully added the user into your database. Now if I visit phpMyAdmin, you can see a new database quickapp_demo. This is our new database which we have just created. In this way you can create a database from your cPanel account. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.